1 minute, you're having a great time with friends, playing in the shallow end of the pool or lake. And the next minute, the scary thing happens. I cannot feel the bottom! Most of us dread that feeling. In fact, it causes a lot of people to panic. Here's how to prevent panic and what to do next if you're in a situation where you can't feel the bottom. Number 1, train your brain now to recognize submersion so that it does not panic in the future. Panic occurs when the brain is triggered by an unfamiliar or threatening situation that it thinks it needs to protect you from. Not feeling the bottom of the pool is similar to the feeling of stepping off a cliff or a ledge. It could feel like falling. No wonder fear is triggered in the brain. But remember, panic is a true killer that causes you to drown. So, to prevent panic, we need to expose the brain to what it feels like to not be anchored to the ground and yet be safe. For this, we go to the shallow part of the pool. We always start every practice in the shallow part because the brain knows that you can always stand up and so you are safe. While at the shallow end, we're going to kneel or we're going to sit. I'll show you both. Since your feet can touch the bottom of the shallow end, we are kneeling to make you feel like you're shorter than you are. Standing on the pool floor, go into water that hits just below your shoulder. Try to kneel on the bottom of the pool floor. The purpose of this exercise is to help you feel what it's like to be submerged in the water where your leg is not touching the bottom of the pool. But of course, we are practicing it in water where you can stand so that you can master it while you're safe. When you try to sit on the bottom of the pool, you will find that buoyancy keeps you from planting yourself on the bottom of the pool.
With your body vertically at the wall, let go of the wall. Stay in your body as you go down towards the bottom of the pool. Feel as the water helps you back towards the surface of the pool as though you're taking an elevator ride. Put your hands back on the side of the pool.
Number 2, learn how to bob. Bobbing is when you apply pressure on the water so that your head can pop up above the water surface to take a breath. Since the aim is to take a breath, we have to first practice how to breathe.
Yep.
To get up from the bottom of the pool, sweep your arms with open palm downwards and your body will propel upwards. You will find that your body can propel to the point that your head is out of the water. This is how to breathe when you're in a vertical position. And we call it bobbing to get air. When you sweep your palms downwards towards your body pops up. When your head has fully cleared the surface of the water, you may take an inhale through your mouth. When your body pops down below the water surface, then you begin to exhale through your nose. Repeat the sequence by pushing down your arms to clear your head above the surface and take your inhale, and then exhaling when you're below the surface. Practice until you can do this in a continuous rhythm. This is how to breathe when you're in a vertical position. When you sweep your palms downwards towards your body pops up. When your head has fully cleared the surface of the water, you may take an inhale through your mouth. When your body pops down below the water surface, then you begin to exhale through your nose. Number 3, learn how to get from vertical to your back to rest and breathe. After you submerge, you may go into your back float by simply looking up to the sky and placing yourself in the back float position. To protect your nose, you may use a nose clip or simply breathe out as you look up towards the sky.
Go from being submerged to your back float. When you are ready to return to the wall, give your competent buddy the sign you agreed on.
Number 4, learn how to reverse from your back to your front to swim to the shallow part. If you cannot feel your feet on the bottom, that means you have walked to a part where the water is deeper than your height. It's time for you to swim back to the shallow part. So from your back, we're going to reverse to face the direction of the shallow part, and then we're going to propel towards the shallow end.
Go from being submerged to your back float. When you are ready to return to the wall, reverse back to the wall.
Number 5, learn how to get from your vertical to your front to swim. You may go from submersion to the front float position. After submerging, simply look down towards the bottom of the pool and put your body in front float position.
Go from being submerged to your front float.
Number 6, Practice these combinations in the shallow. Number 7, practice these combinations in the deep.
If there is some distance between you and the wall, propel yourself forward by sweeping your arms backwards. Get to the wall and hold onto it. Go from being submerged to your back float. Propel yourself on your back. When you are ready to return to the wall, reverse back to the wall. If there is some distance between you and the wall, propel yourself forward by sweeping your arms backwards.
Each of these skills are broken into their smallest version and taught step by step in our online course. We teach you how not to panic, and we teach you foundational skills to help you rescue yourself if you find yourself in trouble while in water. Link is in the description. I know you may not feel fearless now, but hang with me and we'll get there together.